In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your HP Smart Tank 7602 all-in-one printer. Whenever you have a paper jam, you have to go to the back of the printer. At the back section you will see there is an option to open this place, so you just have to push it out and just look inside. If any paper is stuck here, you just have to simply take it out from this side, and once you do it, close this section. In case the paper is stuck badly and if it's not coming out, you have to open the ink chamber. Now have a look inside. The pages out which are stuck here. Close this lid. In the last, you have to go to the paper tray and make sure your paper is installed properly, and if you see any paper stuck outside, you can just remove that and place it properly. So this way we can fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.